being a First Alert Action Day, Tracy, if you're heading to the park, maybe not, make sure you got the sunscreen in the water, but
Yes.
probably don't want to spend too much time out there.
Exactly. And some of that equipment out there gets really hot in the direct sunlight. We've done reports on that before. So before kids get on swings and start touching those plastic, if it's been out there, especially in unshaded areas, it could be dangerously hot for little ones. So maybe the early morning and late evening and early tonight when things have an opportunity to cool. Here's a look at what it feels like outside right now. There's Skycam Network, and we got a nice day on tap, but it is going to be a warm one. Heat alerts are still in effect. We got an excessive heat warning that kicked off at 11 o'clock this morning that runs all the way to 8 a.m. tomorrow night. And we also have a heat advisory, Sacramento, Stockton, Jackson, all the way down to Modesto for the same time frame. We do have more critical heat in the forecast, more triple digits, and they're going to be extremely far reaching. Millions of people, unfortunately, going to be dealing with what could be a pretty protracted hours, like today, 5 to 6 hours of days with temperatures in the upper 90s to triple digits. When I say days, I mean Tuesday and Wednesday, the most people impacted. Excessive heat warning again in effect, avoiding the hottest times of the day. When is that? 2 o'clock in the afternoon to 7 o'clock tonight. And I know that's a long time, but if you can do your errands in the early morning or wait until the sun goes down and then get out and about, maybe doing your late evening walk, you'll probably be better for it. Take a look at the next 24 hours. 102 coming in for Sacramento. Temperatures are still in the triple digits from 4 to 5 to 6 o'clock. 8 o'clock tonight. It's not after sunset just yet. Temperatures in the mid 90s. We're in the low 80s at 10 o'clock tonight. Wow, that's warm. So take a look at these hot temperatures. So from 104 in Stockton, 103 in Modesto, 106 in Marysville, 104 in Chico. I am picking some of the hottest spots today. That's going to be for the valley floor. And then again, with those temperatures, you can see 103 in Roseville today. And do note parts of the hills, 93 in Grass Valley, 95 in Colfax. So the foothills are not escaping the heat. So today and tomorrow, both days are going to be First Alert Action days. Breaking the heat comes in on Thursday. Thank goodness. You got temperatures in the low 90s Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But bear in mind, these temperatures are still above average for this time of the year. Sunday, that's going to be Father's Day. So what can you expect? You got plans? You better get some. Take a look at this. 8 o'clock in the morning, 68 for Dad. For the noon hour, mid 80s. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we got the low 90s expected, and that's going to be for your Sunday. Now, something else we're also watching. Take a look at what's happening down in the southeast. Southern Florida looking at what could be, unfortunately, a pretty long, protracted flood issue for them. They got a system that's just going to be bringing a barrage of rainfall coming into the forecast for the next couple of days. Normally, we don't touch on this, but we got severe thunderstorm warnings. We also have flood watches in effect, and some of these areas could be picking up 8 inches or more. That is a big deal down in southern Florida. So take a look at this. 6 inches or more, everything that you're looking at in the orange shading. Anything in the yellow, that's 8 inches or more. 4 to 6 inches of rainfall coming in, and a lot of that rainfall will come in late tonight and also during the day tomorrow. Any family or friends in Florida, you might want to give them a call. In the meantime, for us, First Alert Action Day, Tuesday and Wednesday, widespread triple-digit highs, excessive heat warning again in effect. Also got that heat advisory, avoiding the hottest times of the day, 2 o'clock to 7 o'clock this evening. That is a look at your weather. Back to you.
Remember we had metal slides?
Oh, those things were just, that was just
Plastic's
cruel.
one thing, the metal was, my gosh. All right.